Today I'll show how to use Synthesia, the #1 AI video communication platform. First, start by uploading your document. Synthesia accepts a variety of file types, making it easy to start with content you've already created. Browse through hundreds of pre-designed templates to find one that suits your style. Click Generate, and Synthesia will instantly create a draft video for you. With your draft ready, it's time to customize the script. Highlight any part of the text, and Synthesia will offer several options for editing. This way you can add, tweak, or completely change sections to make your message clear and engaging. Now select your preferred avatar. Synthesia has over 200 avatars, each with expressive, natural-sounding voices in multiple languages. You can even add a custom avatar that looks just like you. With Synthesia's library including millions of royalty-free images, videos, and icons, you can enhance your video with some design elements. Keep your audience in mind. Pick elements that emphasize key points without overcrowding the screen. Synthesia makes adding screen-recorded content simple. Record your screen by speaking, and Synthesia's AI automatically transcribes your speech, cutting out filler words for a polished result. Bring your video to life with animations. Select an element tied to a word in your script and choose an animation style. From slide-ins to fades, animations make your video dynamic and enjoyable to watch. If you're working with a team, Synthesia makes collaboration easy. Invite colleagues to co-edit, leave comments, and make real-time adjustment, all in one space. Synthesia's built-in translator supports dozens of languages. Select languages, click Translate, and Synthesia does the rest. And that's it. From start to finish, Synthesia makes it easy to turn a simple document into an engaging professional video.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.